So once you've cut your potatoes, you're going to need to rinse them into a nice big bowl. So give your potatoes a nice rinse in cold water to get off all that starch, and then once the water's nice and clear, they're ready to be cooked. Get yourself a bowl, transport your potatoes into that, cover them with cold water and just slowly bring them up to a boil. Good pinch of salt and just let that come up to a nice gentle boil. So now they've come up to a boil, just turn them right down and just gradually poach them to they're fork tender. Because the trick is here is we don't want them to fall apart, we just want them to cook through. So once they're ready, just get them out and drain them into a colander. Be gentle. Once you've drained them, just basically lay them all out onto a nice dry cloth. So once your potatoes are cooked, just lay them out on a nice clean cloth just to air dry and get all the moisture off. Now this right here, this is the star of the show. This. And this right here, this is the star of the show, and it is beef fat, and it is going to give it the best flavour ever. So just pop this in the microwave for about a minute, just for it to turn to liquid gold, and then pour it into your pot. Now the best thing about this is you can reuse it over and over again. Just wait for it to cool down, pour it back into the jar, seal it up and pop it into the fridge, and it will last for at least a month. Then you want to heat this up to about 150 degrees for the first part of cooking the chips. So once your oil's ready, just gently add in your chips, but don't overcrowd them. You can do them in batches if you need to. And we gently just want to fry these until they're light golden brown and then take them out. Now once your chips have taken on a nice slight golden brown, get them out. Now the best part about these chips now, as they're par cooked, is this is what you'd want to do in like a restaurant, is you can just keep those now on the side, and when you got an order on, chuck them straight in the fryer at a higher heat, crisp them up, serve them, delicious. Now crank the heat up to about 200, 210, drop the chips in, and now these are only take a couple of minutes to crisp up. And you just want to take them out when they're nice golden brown, guys. Look at that. Perfection. So once they come out, hit them with some sea salt, give them a toss, get them straight onto a plate. Hit them with some Parmigiano Reggiano. And some crispy bacon. And there you have it. My take on a triple cooked chip. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful.